Good morning, my dear students. This is Unit 3 for both P&S and CVPS, both computer and mechanical, same syllabus. Probability distributions. Probability distributions. Lecture 1. Probability distributions are two types. Number 1, discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. In our syllabus, binomial distribution. Second one, Poisson distribution. Second one, continuous probability distribution. This only one is normal distribution. Normal distribution. Of course, discrete probability distributions are binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, rectangular distribution, negative binomial distribution, geometric distribution. 5 types are there. In our syllabus, 2 distributions are there, binomial and Poisson. Continuous probability distributions are normal distribution, student distribution, chi-square distribution, F distribution. 4 distributions are there, but in our syllabus only one normal distribution is there. Now, heading A, binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. A random variable Kaplex has a binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. If it assumes only non-negative values and its probability density function is given by Px is equal to R or P of R is equal to NCR P power R NCR P power R Q power N minus R. R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. N is equal to 0 otherwise. Where Q is equal to 1 minus P. Actually, success probability plus failure probability is 1. From this Q value, 1 minus P. P success probability. Q failure probability. probability. N, number of trials are required trials. Here N, P are known as the parameters. P తెలిస్తే మనకు ఆల్రెడీ Q తెలిసిపోతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా. Q ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ P కాబట్టి N Pలు రెండే తెలియాలి. ఆర్ నోన్ యాజ్ పారామీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. X is similar to BNP, binomial distribution with parameters NP. Denote that random variable X follows binomial distribution with parameters N and P. Note 1, sigma r is equal to 0 to n, probability of r. Otherwise sigma r is equal to 0 to n, NCR P power r Q power n minus r is equal to Q plus P whole power n. Symbolically we write Q plus P whole power n. P plus Q is 1, so 1 power n is 1. 1 power n is 1. So sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Note 2, the frequency function of the binomial distribution is given by f of x is equal to capital N into probability at x is equal to x. So n is equal to, what is Px is equal to x? Px is equal to x or Px is equal to r, whatever it may be, no problem. Sigma x is equal to 0 to n, P power r means x, P power x, Q power n minus x. Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. 1, 2, 3, so on. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశారంటే ఆర్ బదులు ఎక్స్ రాశాను. ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ రాశాను, అంతకన్నా ఏం లేదు, రెండు ఒకటే. Write the physical conditions for binomial distribution. Solution. Each trial results in two exhaustive and mutually disjoint outcomes, failure and success. Only two outcomes, either success or failure. Number 2, the number of trials n is finite. Here n is finite number. The trials are independent of each other. That's why we get here into symbol. That's why we get into symbol P power r into Q power n minus r. Independent. The probability of success P is constant for each trial. Write the applications of binomial distribution. Solution. Binomial distribution is applied to problems concerning number 1, number of defectives in a sample from production line. Number 2, estimation of reliability of systems. Number 3, number of rounds fired from a gun hitting a target. 4, radar detection. Radar detection. These are the main applications of binomial distribution. Result: in binomial distribution, mean formula, mean is equal to mu is equal to ex is equal to formula n into p, number of trials into success probability, n into p. Proofs are not in our syllabus, so you write results form. Variance: sigma square is equal to ex square minus ex whole square is equal to formula npq. NPQ, number of trials into success probability into failure probability. Mean, number of trials into success probability. Variance, number of trials into success probability into failure probability. Standard deviation plus root of variance, positive root of variance. Next, problems. Problem 1. Problem 1. The probability that a pen manufactured by a company will be defective is 1/10. అంటే 10 పెన్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంటే 1 పెన్ డిఫెక్టివ్గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే 1,00,000కి 1,000 డిఫెక్టివ్గా ఉంటాయి. If 12 such pens are manufactured, find the probability that exactly 2 will be defective, at least 2 will be defective, none will be defective. Okay, solution. What is given here? Probability of defective pen is, probability of defective pen is, ఇక్కడ డిఫెక్టివ్ అడిగి డిఫెక్టివ్ ఇచ్చి డిఫెక్టివ్ మీద అడుగుతున్నాడు ప్రాబ్లం. చూడండి, క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ డిఫెక్టివ్ మీద ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఆ డిఫెక్టివ్ అనేది పి అవుతుంది. పి 1/10, p is equal to 1/10. So 0.1. What about q? Automatically we get 1 minus p. P plus q is equal to 1. Q value 1 minus p. 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. Number of trials, 12 pens are given. 12, n is equal to 12. What is your formula? Px is equal to r ncr p power r q power n minus r. Binomial distribution formula. What is your first bit? The probability that exactly 2 will be defective, is equal to px is equal to 2. So what is your r value? 2. Substituting values in above formula. N means 12, c r means 2, x is good r is 2, p means 0.1 whole power r 2, q means 0.9 whole power 12 minus 2. So 12c2 into 0.1 whole square into 0.9 whole power 10. By using calculator we get this value 0.2301. What about B bit? The probability that at least 2 will be defective, at least 2 will be defective is equal to, what is the meaning of at least? At least 2 means 2 or more. So P, probability of X greater than or equal to 2. This can be written as 1 minus success probability is equal to 1 minus failure probability. X less than 2. 1 minus X less than 2 means 2 can తక్కువ అంటే Px is equal to 0, Px is equal to 1. ఈ రెండే వస్తాయి. లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉందనుకోండి 2 కూడా వస్తుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లెస్ దాన్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వస్తుంది 1 మైనస్ చేసినప్పుడు. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 1 మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఆర్ 0 అంటే 12C0, 0.1 హోల్ పవర్ 0, 0.9 హోల్ పవర్ 12 మైనస్ 0. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ వాల్యూ 1, 12C1, 0.1 హోల్ పవర్ 1, 0.9 హోల్ పవర్ 12 మైనస్ 1. సో 1 మైనస్ 12C0, 0.1 పవర్ 0, 0.9 హోల్ పవర్ 12, 12C1, 0.1 whole power 1, 0.9 whole power 11. So using calculator we get this value 0.3412. C bit, the probability that none will be defective. None means R is equal to 0. None will be defective. P X is equal to 0 is equal to 12C0 0.1 whole power 0, 0.9 whole power 12 minus 0. So 12C0, 0.9 whole power 12 using calculator. 12C0 means 1, 0.9 whole power 12 using calculator we get 0.2833. Now note. So Px greater than or equal to 2 means 1 minus Px less than 2. Suppose Px greater than 2 is there, right? 1 minus Px less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to. This is the main concept. At least 1 means P 1 or more, X greater than or equal to 1. So 1 minus P X less than 1. This is the way of writing. At most 1, maximum 1. So P X less than or equal to 1. This is 1 minus P X greater than 1. So observe the concepts. Problem 2. In sampling a large number of parts manufactured by a machine, the mean number of defectives in a sample of 20 is 2. Out of 1000 such samples, how many would be expected to contain at least 3 defective parts? So what is given here? Mean number is equal to 2. So mu is equal to 2 is given. Mean means mu. Next n, number of trials 20. Number of samples nothing but number of trials. So number of trials or number of samples 20. Kaplan is given 1000 such samples. So here Kaplan also given 1000. Okay. Now we have to find P. Mean formula NP is equal to 2. N is 20. P is equal to 2. P value 2 by 20. 1 by 10, 0.1. Automatically Q value 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. Next, binomial distribution formula. NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. ఫార్ములాకు మార్కులు ఉంటాయండి, మీకు ఫార్ములాకు మార్కులు ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి గివెన్ డేటా రాశాను, ఫార్ములా రాసాం. ఇప్పుడు వాడు అడుగుతుందండి అట్లీస్ట్ 3 డిఫెక్టివ్ పార్ట్స్. ముందు ప్రాబబిలిటీ కడదాం. ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 3 డిఫెక్టివ్ పార్ట్స్. At least 3 defective parts. At least 3 or more, x greater than or equal to 3, p x greater than or equal to 3. So 1 minus p x less than 3. 1 minus 3 కన్నా తక్కువ అంటే 0. నాన్ నెగిటివ్ అని చెప్పాను బిగినింగ్లోనే, 0తోనే మొదలవుతాయి. ఇప్పుడు 3 కన్నా తక్కువ అంటే 0 ఒకటి, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, ఈ 3 వస్తాయి అంతే. is equal to 1 minus x is equal to 0. N value here, n value 20, 20c 0. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. p వాల్యూ 0.1 హోల్ పవర్ 0, 0.9 హోల్ పవర్ 20 minus 0, 20. నెక్స్ట్ 20c1, r value 1 here, 0.1 whole power 1, 0.9 whole power 19. 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19. Q power n minus r. Here r is 1, n is 20. 20 minus 1, 19. 20c2, 0.1 whole square, 0.9 whole power 18. 0.9 whole power 18. So using calculator we get the values 0.323 ప్రాబిలిటీ వచ్చిందండి. ప్రాబిలిటీ అట్లీస్ట్ 3 డిఫెక్టివ్ పార్ట్స్ ఉంటే ప్రాబిలిటీ వచ్చింది 0.323. ఇప్పుడు 1000 శాంపిల్స్కి ఎన్ని డిఫెక్టివ్ వస్తాయి అది కనుక్కోవాలి మనం. Therefore the number of samples having at least 3 defective parts out of 1000 samples. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఫార్ములా చెప్పా, n ఇంటూ ప్రాబబిలిటీ అని, n ఇంటూ ప్రాబబిలిటీ అని చెప్పాను. 1000 ఇంటూ ఆ ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత వచ్చింది 0.323 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 323. The probability that a bomb dropped from a plane will strike the target is 1 by 5. If 6 bombs are dropped, find the probability that exactly 2 will strike the target. At least 2 will strike the target. So what is given? Number of bombs, n is equal to 6. P is equal to 1 by 5, that is given. Automatically Q value 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Next you write formula Px is equal to R, NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. Binomial formula. First bit, probability of getting probability of getting exactly 2 will strike the target exactly 2. So Px is equal to 2. Here R is 2, N is 6. Substituting this formula, 6e2 P 1 by 5 whole power R 2, 4 by 5 whole power N minus R 6 minus 2. This is equal to 6e2 1 by 5 whole square 4 by 5 whole power 4. So simplifying using calculator we get 0.245. Probability of getting at least 2 will strike the target. At least 2 means 2 or more. Px greater than or equal to 2. This can be written as 1 minus Px less than 2. Less than 2 means 2 cases, 0, 1. So here R is equal to 0, here R is equal to 1. Substituting these values in above formula, we get 6 is 0, 1, 1 by 5 whole power 0. Okay, we get 4 by 5 whole power 6. 6 is 1, 6 into 1 by 5 into 4 by 5 whole power 5. So using calculator, we get the probability value 0.344.